breaking inputs coming in. Congress leader Pawan Khera has stoked a massive controversy as he posted an image of a pothole on social media, comparing it with the map of the nation. The picture was captioned, and I quote, "A little more rain and POK will be ours." That image is right now on your screens, where the map of India has been compared to, equated to mud. That's what many are saying now while slamming Pawan Khera. India's map compared to mud, says the Bharatiya Janata Party. That's the image shared by Pawan Khera, and the caption is "A little more rain and POK will be ours." We have Pratibha, Pradeep and Shivani joining us in the broadcast. Let's first go across to Pratibha. She'll take us through the reactions and that image posted by Pawan Khera as well.
Right, Swati. So, Pawan Khera tweeting this image that has sparked off the entire controversy. This is the image. This is of a pothole and it resembles the India map. And he has tweeted here, PWD Patriotic Works Department. But this is the part of the tweet that had garnered all the controversy, which says, "A little more rain and POK will be ours," with a laughing emoji. And this is the pothole that has been tweeted by him. The BJP, of course, slamming Pawan Khera for this tweet. Shehzad Poonawalla of the BJP says, "For Rahul Gandhi and Congress, in the name of mocking BJP, they can attack Bharat, its integrity, its sovereignty, its institutions, its Sanatan Sanskriti." Pawan Khera's disgusting tweet comparing Bharat and its map to mud is shocking but expected. Rahul says India is not a nation. Tarur cheers when India loses. Congress doubts bravery of Jawans. Not only should Congress apologize, but people should never forget how Congress is showing its true colors, anti-India and anti-Hindu colors. This is the jibe that has come in from the BJP.